Hey guys, so if you guys want to achieve this glowy subtle look, then continue to keep watching, and also don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram as well as Snapchat. Yeah, so thank you guys and keep on watching. Bye. Okay, so first off, I'm wearing contact lens by BeautyLens.us, and it was created by Brenda Her. I'm wearing the color Frost, and this is the color. So if you guys want to go check her out, her website for her contact lens is BeautyLens.us. I'm going to be going in with the Pro Conceal with the LA girl here, and I am in the shade of Porcelain. I can't say it, I can never say it right, but I tried like a lot of like certain, not a lot, but just certain types of you know, drugstore brands. Some of them haven't really like gone to my likings yet. Besides, this one's really good. I actually like it in a way. Back to the beauty sponge and just blend. Bring it up to the eyelid as well. Just blend. So now I'm going to be using Revolution's brand. This is their foundation stick, but I'm using a darker shade just to contour my face. So I'm using F14. I'm just gonna down here under my chin. And let's put it under my lip here. You can see that. And then we is gonna bring it up here. Don't want to put too much, but you know. Like that. Just gonna. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, blend that in. Just, you know, lightly, not too hard, and just bring it up a little bit to up here, your side of, side of your, you know, your temples. Just blend, keep blending. And then afterwards, we are going to use our beauty blender, okay? Now go ahead and So I'm just gonna blend my chin now. We're gonna blend our nose after. So I'm just gonna you know, blend. Bring it down to your neck down here too. Just gonna blend. So now we're gonna blend our nose. Just like push it in and just softly, you know, like blend it out a little, like outward, away from the nose. And we're just gonna bring it up. And you see it, and then just go ahead and blend down here. I'm gonna blend with a beauty sponge. Just blend all the harsh lines. So now I'm gonna be using the Airspun extra coverage, the translucent powder here. Tap the extra. And we're just gonna push it into our skin. And then we're just gonna leave the eyelid open because we're gonna, you know, color in our eyelid. So what you want to do for the bottom part of your cheekbone is just use a big, you know, amount of powder, fish face, and just lightly bring it down. And I like to make like a U, like a check, like, you know, like a Nike check on my face, like that. The KatVonD contour palette, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe M441 brush, or you can just use a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna be going in the shade of I think it's, yeah, Lucid, this orange one here, Lucid. So let's go ahead and grab that. I'm gonna blend our eyelids up here. Go ahead, and we're gonna be using this shade here, the Scoopus, okay? So we're gonna go in there, tap that off. Okay, sorry. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend the same area, okay? The same area we blended the orange shade. Just blend. So I'm gonna be using my Milani brow gel in number 5, dark brown. Just gonna start sweeping it up, like drawing little lines, and then go ahead and use the little brush on the end and just, you know, brush your brows. Not too hard, but I'm gonna be using my Pixi powder brow, and I already finished my other eyebrow, and I already concealed them. So we're gonna be using the shade, which color is it? This one down here. There's no name for this, but it's just this darkest color down here. Tap. We're not gonna brush it, we're just gonna tap, okay? So tap within the lines. So I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. cream liner. And I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. angled brush. Okay. And finish my eyeliner, and I already concealed the end as well. And now I'm gonna go back and into the KatVonD palette again, and using the same shades that I used in the very beginning for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M506 brush, this one here. I'm gonna be doing my under eye, so we're gonna go back into Lucid. Just gonna go ahead and water my underline. Brush my under eye. And do the other side. Okay, and then we're gonna go into this, what was it? Scoopus. Here we go, sorry. Scoopus. And just the same brush. Just blend under your eye. Ombre to this one here. So same brush. And then just lightly blend that in. It's okay if you haven't used this for the top of your eyebrow, your shadow, but you can just use it for the bottom just so it comes out, it brings out your eyes a little more. So now I'm going to be using Morphe M124 brush here, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Chrome Paint Highlighter Illuminator. this one here, if you can see, okay, in the corner, and then just bring it up just a little bit, and then just bring it back to the inner corner, and then bring it to the down here, just to get that little pop. So we want that pop because we're gonna have our face highlighted. So I'm gonna use my Kiss. It's a clear glue. So I'm gonna be using that, and I'm gonna be using these tape here that I bought from Amazon. They're called lace eyelid tapes. They're really good for like makeup if you like to wear makeup and stuff, and like it just blends in, like literally. And you're gonna be using a tweezer as well. Okay, let me fix that eyelid. Yes, if you guys are wondering, my husband knows that I wear these. Before we met, I never wore eyelid tapes. But now I do. So now I'm gonna be using my Kiss eyelashes. I already popped on the lashes, and this is what they look like. We're gonna be doing the mascara by Tarte. It's called the Big Ego. Not bad.
Curl eyelashes.
I'm gonna be using the Tarte brush. It's the 2-in-1, but I'm gonna use this just a fluff brush and just fluff off that powder at the top up here under my eye. Not too hard, just softly. Brush from Ulta, this big fluffy brush. We're gonna contour, like I said, to set everything, because we're just waiting for it to, you know, stay onto the skin, then just go ahead and contour. So I'm gonna go back into my contour palette, and I'm gonna be using the same, we're gonna be using Scubus and Shadow Play, these two. We're gonna mix them. So we're just gonna tap tap. And I go down to my chin. This is the Pixi 231. Or you can just use a small little tampered brush. It works as well. So I'm going to use the same shades we used earlier to contour. I usually like to start with the bottom of my nose first and then bring it to the side and turn it into a V. And just go ahead and slightly bring it up. So now we're going to highlight, and I'm using the other end of my Tarte brush, and just this fluffy brush here, which is like a soft fluffy brush, don't matter. When we're gonna be using the Tarte again that we used earlier for our inner corner of our eyes lid. So I'm just gonna go ahead, because I don't want to put too much, but go ahead and just tap tap on there, and then we're just going to on our cheekbone. It's best to smile while you do this, because then you know, you can find where your apple line is, and just get all that on, pack it on. We're gonna be using the Milani lipstick in the shade of Nude.
So I'm gonna go ahead and finish drawing my lips.
So I'm going to be using the matte Innocence on my lip. Using Midi by ColourPop.
On top of my lip.
Using Pillow Plump. And this is like a pretty pink. This one is by Soap and Glory. Sorry about that. MAC. My MAC powder foundation. So I'm gonna on top of my lips. Okay, so this is the final look. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. So comment down below and let me know if you guys tried it out and how you guys like it. And yeah, just thank you guys for watching. Bye.